another roof clean today. That's the size of it. Daniel's just about to go up and do the back section, and then we'll get the scaffold moved around to the front and do that. Dale's on there sweeping the flat roof. Let's send you up there so you can have a look. Tea time.
Coffee, chocolate.
Caught him in the act. And him. Having their chocolates. What's the time now?
10 to 4.
So it's 10 to 4. We've still got over half really of the front to do. And that little porch.
Run out of steam. I noticed the boiler threw out loads of white smoke.
The back of the van was on fire.
Yeah, filled up the entire street with white smoke, and I think that's because we ran out of diesel, but I don't think that's ever happened before.
Not when we've been working. But then it's a bit surprising, so it should be like an automatic cut-off. Safety.
Yeah.
There don't seem to be any safety features on this vehicle. When the water fills up, it pops off. There's no stop valve.
The pull valve.
There's no stop off when the diesel runs out.
This is a machine from PWS. When did we get it? About a year ago now.
Wasn't cheap.
A quick review really. It wasn't cheap. It was very expensive. I mean, you got the boiler there, start and stop, controls, the engine, pressure gauge, pressure, turning up and down the pressure, hose reel. There's a lot of good bits on this setup. I mean, you got the Vanguard engine, and it's lasted us very well. But there's a few things such as the tank not having a ball valve or anything to stop it.
Simple things that make our life easier. It was roof cleaning's physically demanding work, even at the best of times when you're using the best equipment possible. So you really need the lightest equipment. Stood up on a scaffold tower from 9 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock at night sometimes, and you're holding a long pole and gravity's going against you. It just wants to pull you constantly down, but that's why it's relatively high-paying work. We're not,
Even
you know,
the tower, you know, just a tower is so expensive. I mean, the
Yeah.
tower we want, which is still not the best, it's like £2,500. And then you know you've got the safety element. You know, it's dangerous work. You know,
yeah,
it's like
working at heights, working on roofs.
working at height,
Yeah.
and it's slow going
lot-
because you're having to get up and down all the time. It's like, you know,
A lot can go wrong, but it's the lesser of two evils. And we get told a lot that jet washing can be bad for a roof, but what's the alternative? You know, it's provided it's done safely, correctly, at low pressure. The shingle remains on the roof tiles. Moss causes all sorts of damage to a roof. If it's left, it actually eats away at the clay or slate, whatever it grows on, and it gets filled into the gaps, and it freezes,
yeah,
expands, pops the tiles off. If put it this way, if there's a roof that's got too much moss
yeah, it's going to be heavy.
on the surface, and we would probably refuse to clean it because we just don't know what kind of damage it's done underneath. You know, so there is a stage where it's a full carpet of moss, then we would just turn it down because we couldn't take the risk. You know, we might start cleaning and the whole roof comes away. We love it.
Yeah, look at Dale.
Dale doesn't love it.
I don't
Get
mind.
old.
I don't mind. It's good, but it's hard work.
If you leave a comment down, how old do you think Dale is? And the person who gets it right will write your name in the dirt. How old Dale is,
Yeah.
and he's still doing this work.
And he can outclimb both of us. We're in our 20s. But mind you, I did just have 3 chocolates.
Yeah.
And he had 1. So.
All finished up now. It's getting a bit dark. Took a while to rinse everything down, and still got to pack everything away. What's the time now?
6:35.
6:35. So long day today. Get everything packed up, and yeah, see you in the next one.